Hello guys, as we know the hype of Devon Larratt vs Vitaly Laletti in arm wrestling super match is increasing rapidly. And now it is quite likely that we will soon get to see an arm wrestling super match between these two. But in today's video we will compare the strength of these two. And we will find out who will win if they fight now. If we compare the arm wrestling matches of these two in the last few years, so it is very confusing. Because we saw that Devon lost to Kamil Jablonski despite being in his prime form, and Vitaly dominated Kamil badly. Talking about the arm wrestling match between Hermes and Devon, we saw that Devon dominated Hermes very easily. And in the match between Vitaly and Hermes, we saw that it was no less than a war, and it was a very close match, in which Hermes was the winner. Therefore, it makes no sense to compare the arm wrestling matches of these two. As we know that Vitaly has now given up truck driving, and he has now become a full-time arm wrestler. And he is now devoting his entire time to practice and training. And due to this, he has become more powerful than before. And he has also proved this by defeating a powerful arm wrestler like Artyom Morozov. Devon has now reduced his body weight a lot and he has become very lean. And due to this, he has become a little weaker than before. And due to this, if we look carefully at their practice pool took place a few weeks ago, it is known that Devon is not even able to hold Vitaly's hand, and Vitaly is able to pin him easily again and again. And if we talk about the results, then Vitaly has definitely become faster and stronger than before, whereas Devon has become weak to some extent due to reducing body weight. So if these two fight now, then definitely Vitaly will beat Devon badly. What do you think about this? Tell me your opinion in the comments, and thanks for watching.